On this side of the camper is the water tank. Now I'll show you how to fill up the camper with water. Under the seat you can see the water tank. This is showing you how big the water tank really is, and this shows you where your fresh water is going. As I'm filling up this camper, notice how water is leaking from the camper. This should not happen on the roads, but if it does, I want to show you what button to press to stop this water from leaking from your camper. The reason water is leaking from the camper is because this here is a safety valve. When the temperature inside the camper drops below 3 degrees Celsius, the safety valve will release and it will start to drain your camper of all its water. It will first drain the boiler. This is in place to stop any damage due to freezing water inside of the vehicle. So turn the lever to the side position and press the button in. Now your camper is not losing any water. When your water tank is full, press the water pump button on the main control panel. Then open your taps and make sure the water flows out. This may take a few minutes as there could be air in the system. When you use water, water will go down the drains and into another tank. This is called the grey water tank. On the side or back of the vehicle you will find a pulley. This is connected to the grey water tank. Pull this pulley outwards if you want the grey water to escape the vehicle. To keep the grey water inside the vehicle, push the pulley inwards. This will close the seal on the grey water tank. When releasing the grey water from the camper, please be mindful of where you do this. It's best to do this at a campground or a designated area where there is a drain pipe. When you're releasing the grey water, all the chemicals that are inside this water that you've used will go onto the ground. So make sure to respect the environment that's around you and be careful where you release the grey water. There is a button for the flush. Make sure that the water pump is on, and in some campers the auxiliary needs to be on. When you have these selected, press the button and then you will see the toilet will flush. This is how you use the toilet inside the camper. There is a lever below the toilet. Pull this left or right to open and close the hole inside the toilet. To empty the toilet, on the side of the camper there is another compartment. Opening this compartment you will find the toilet cassette. You can take this out of the camper and you can turn this pipe on top around. When you unscrew the cap, this is how you empty the toilet cassette. You can empty the toilet cassette at most campgrounds, and also in every town in Iceland there is a designated area to empty your toilet cassette. If you need to find a local place to empty your waste tank, ask the people at the gas station because these people usually know the area very well.